We needed something. We were pretty much well in the dark ages in a lot of our departments, and I think that's kind of the story that everybody has. You know, the techs were still using paper, and fleet was the most important, so that was our big headline. With the intention that we knew we wanted to bring aboard facilities, roads and streets, and for parks and grounds. You were going to go with a company anyways, so why not use the same one and for everything so that everybody's on the same page? So that was the intention of the whole getting the EAM package. For facilities, we're trying to be more proactive than reactive. We're not going back and just putting out fires. We could really create a good preventative maintenance. The idea is the fact that you're not doing all this busy work anymore. You're just staying on top of what you need to stay on top of. I think it just only makes sense.